For this week's assignment, I picked self-image and identity. And I'm sure as many know and have experienced themselves, when you're online, you're someone different than you are when you're interacting with people in person. As stated on Evergreen Public Schools page about self-image and identity, they say every website you browse, shop from, or log on to sees you and your characteristics differently. For instance, when you shop or purchase an item, that sites begin to establish a particular identity is being assessed or enhanced. So they're knowing everything you do online and as well as everything you say online. It can always be traced back to you, and eventually people can always see it. And then on Common Sense's website, they ask why teach it. So they go into the importance of teaching students about keeping their self-image and identity safe online. They list a couple things such as helping your students to understand the similarities and differences and how they present themselves online and offline, reflect on how the internet allows for anonymity and deception, and explore how this can affect their behavior online, and consider the motivation, benefits, or possible harm to others when assuming an online identity that's different from one's real self. Teaching this to students is something that can help them in the future because everything is documented and can be referred back to if need be. Something I like that was stated on SWGFL's website was the difference between online and offline identity, beginning with self-awareness to shaping online identities and how media impacts on gender and stereotypes. This strand identifies effective routine routes for reporting and support that explores the impact of online technologies and self-image and behavior. All of these are important for students to know, especially those who are on the internet and on various websites a lot. Then I ran across the Kids Health website, and they had some rules to follow well online, which could be very helpful. These rules include stick to safer sites, guard your passwords, don't be mean or embarrassing to other people online, always tell if you see strange or bad behaviors, and be choosy about your online friends. These are all some important rules to follow and keep yourself safe and others safe for their self-image and identity while they are online.